In today's video, I'll show you how to create subdomains in Cloudflare so you can organize different sections of your website or connect additional services. If you're new to subdomains, they are separate addresses that use your main domain. For example, blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com can be used for different parts of your website. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the domain where you want to create a subdomain. Next, open the DNS section from the menu. This is where you can manage all records connected to your domain. Now click Add Record to create a new DNS entry. Choose the record type based on where you want your subdomain to point. An A record is commonly used when connecting directly to an IP address, while a CNAME record is used when pointing to another domain or service. In the name field, enter the subdomain you want to create. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, enter only blog as the name. Next, enter the destination value. This could be your server IP address, another domain, or the value provided by the service you want to connect. Choose whether to enable Cloudflare proxy protection using the Orange Cloud option, depending on your setup requirements. After entering all the details, save the DNS record. Wait a few moments for the DNS changes to apply, then open your new subdomain in a browser to test the connection. If the subdomain doesn't work, double-check the DNS record, destination value, and whether the connected service is configured correctly. Creating subdomains helps you manage different website sections, testing environments, and online tools, while keeping everything under one main domain. And that's how you create subdomains in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.